The construction of the new Carpathian Mountain Railroad Beskidy tunnel started in 2013. The tunnel will be finished in May 2018 and is planned to expand the capabilities of the transport corridor of Ukraine, Slovakia, Hungary, Slovenia, and Italy.
This is the most ambitious tunnel construction project in the history of independent Ukraine. And for the railway infrastructure of Ukraine, this is the biggest project in the last 15 years.
The tunnel is being constructed with an altitude of 800 meters above sea level. It's 2 kilometers long and 10.5 meters wide. To actually build it, the workers used 160 tons of explosives to get through the mountain rock and extracted 270,000 cubic meters of stone.
We had to use explosives to create the tunnel and strengthen the cavities with anchors and spray concrete after that. The spray concrete creates the necessary pressure to support the construction.
The project cost was placed at over 100 million euros. According to the top management of Ukrzaliznytsia, the Ukrainian state railway company, the money spent on the tunnel will pay off. Currently, this route is used to transport 60% of transit cargo to Western and Central Europe.
Over the past year only, we have already seen an increase in export turnover to Europe by 3% and an import turnover increase of 30%. Overall, over the past year, 20 million tons of cargo has passed through Beskidy tunnel.
The new tunnel allows the possibility of doubling total cargo transport to Europe. At the moment, 47 trains pass through the transport corridor daily, but with the new construction, that number is expected to reach 100. All construction is planned to be finished by the 25th of May, 2018.